Hello friends, running kimono. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of May the 21st to the 27th. First thing we're going to talk about is this booster, 6 back when you spend 22 and 10 back when you spend 50. The start date is Sunday, the end date is Wednesday. So pay attention to that date if you might have this booster. Always your mileage may vary. Again, a Sunday to a Wednesday. It's also of a one-time use. So if it's still floating in your account, it's definitely a one and done. And yes, it stacks with paper boosters. For the balance after your coupons, you can use your debit card, credit card, or bills. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it's going to mess everything up. Okay, a lot of us also received this guy on Wednesday, 10 back when you spend $30 on healthy summer products. I'm assuming that is like sunscreen or maybe summer foods like, I don't know, barbecue chips, who knows. But it's valid from the 21st right till June the 24th. And yes, this will stack with the other digital boosters. So we're going to have to wait and see if that's just sunscreen alone or what is summer stuff. We'll have to wait and see. If you could do me a huge kindness and give this video a big thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And on the left, we have my cat Gizmo, and on the right is his uncle Stu. I know a lot of you loved this as a community post earlier today, and you love these cute cat photos, but these two could be related. Oh, they are. How funny is that? Before we start talking about the deals, if you could please treat this video as a preview. We are speculating on some of these deals. All of the digital coupons and the full ad will be published on the Walgreens app on Sunday, May the 21st, just to note that. This is going to be another terrific week over at Walgreens, including a lot of digital cheapies. We could possibly find freebies as the week marches on. So the first thing I want to talk about is the Garnier Fructis or whole blends. So I'm hoping we're going to get digital coupons for both, because potentially we can get 4 bottles of shampoo for 50 cents a pop. But anyhow, it's 2 for $8. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, $4 reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of them, that's 8 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making this $1 for 2 or 50 cents per shampoo. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this deal in concert with a booster. These Tide pens currently at Walgreens are buy one, get one free. And they're 2 for $9. So if you put 4 into a basket, it's going to be $9 on the nose. Will the buy one, get one free promotion be there next week? I'm not sure, but if you want to go there before Saturday the 20th and do this little dealio, pounce on it if you love these Tide to Go pens. IBOTTA has a $1 rebate back for up to 5. As you're buying 4, you're getting $4 back. So that's kind of magical. If you love these pens, I certainly do. Grabbing 4 of them in a basket, that's $9. You're going to get $4 back from IBOTTA. The final price point here, guys, is $5 for the 4 or $1.25 per pen. That is cheap. Double, triple check on Sunday if it's on a BOGO free promotion and make this deal happen. And if you want to go right now, get your coat on, get to the store and get your $1.25 pens. If you wish to use some Walgreens cash, absolutely go for it. I would throw in something for $1, so you could use $10 and then photograph that receipt to IBOTTA. You're not using a manufacturer coupon in concert, so you should be fine. Okay, so just a little bit of speculation, my friends. So this banana boat, $9. Buy 2, get back a $4 register reward, $2 digital as well. And these notoriously have hang tags all over them, so more coupons if you don't have more digitals. Will this be a healthy summer product? I'm assuming so. This potentially could be a deal. Throw that in your back pocket. We're back at the Crest deal. $3 to $4, $3 reward when you buy 2. My understanding, we're going to get another 3 off 2 digital coupon, so definitely load that. Grabbing 2 of the cheapy products for $3 a pop, that's 6. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 3. Get back a $3 register reward, making this free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this in concert with a booster. This next deal kind of doing a little bit of fishing. $7 or $10 Dove products, get back a $4 reward. Let's grab 2 products for $7 and load this $2 digital coupon. Along with, if you go to coupons.com, there's another $2 rebate valid right till the 30th. So make sure you have this to get an extra $2 back. I have two lovely body washes for $14. Subtracting that $2 digital, you're going to pay $12. Get back a $4 register reward. Make a submission to coupons.com for another $2 back. Final price point is 6 for $2 or $3 a pop. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. And my question is, will we be getting more digital coupons for Dove on Sunday? Be on the lookout for that. That would be really nice. So, if Dove Baby is more your speed, Fetch Rewards is giving back 3,000 points when you buy two. I currently don't see any digital coupons for this product, but possibly potentially a deal if we get some nice digital coupons. Okay, we have the All or Snuggle products. I think this is liquid gold when it's like $7.99 for one of these at the pharmacy. They're going to be down to $3.99. We're going to have $1.50 digital, dropping this down to $2.49. Stock up. If you love scent beads like yours truly, $10.99. We have a $2 digital, dropping this down to $8.99. I saw this report on TikTok about how, the beads that they sell, the off-brand that's supposed to be like a Downy dupe at the Dollar Tree. Oh, it's the same thing. Just buy it at the Dollar Tree. And a P&G scientist was like, no, they're two different products. Interesting. And guess who's back for $1.99? These gorgeous little 4-packs of the Walgreens toilet paper. So I love when this shows up. We also have the Dawn dish soap for $1.24. For this promotion, you're going to grab two at that price point for $2.48. Pay that or roll some Walgreens cash and get back $1 register reward. Shaking this out to $1.48 for the two or 74 cents per dish soap. Again, if you're using this without a booster, or if you're buying this without a booster, yes, you absolutely can use Walgreens cash. Pay it to earn that register reward. And for all the parents out there, let's look at some Pampers for 2 for $21, $4 reward when you buy two. This is a deal of the week. So if you were going to do like the Garnier Fructis, do these separately, separate transactions. Load this 3 off of 2. Grab 2 bags for $21 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $18, getting back a $4 register reward. We're looking at $14 for the 2 bags or $7 a pop. Again, if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your $4 register reward. Now, something I wanted to point out in this flyer is this massager that I saw, and I bought one of these for my husband like a couple Christmases ago. It was like a really popular gift, like I think in 2018 or 19. It's this precision massager, which is like a gun. And so, if you ever get those aches and pains, this might be something to check out. So this right now is like $49.99. We're going to have a $5 digital, dropping it to $44.99. So really interesting item. If you wanted to use $50 in Walgreens cash, perhaps grab some toilet paper and call this a really good deal. Father's Day is just around the corner. I mean, just a terrific little item to grab. Okay, guys, let's talk about some very quick honorable mentions to finish this video. The first one we're going to talk about is the Arm & Hammer. It's going to be on a buy one, get one free promotion. I prefer it when it's $1.99, but BOGO free might be your price point if you're in desperate need of detergent. We have Walgreens motion sickness glasses. So if you're on the water and you get motion sickness, raising my hand, I get very sick on the water. $3 off. Does this really work, guys? It looks like there's water at the bottom of your glasses. Kind of interesting. We have the Lululemon bag. It looks a lot like it. Westloop, which is a Walgreens brand. So it's supposed to be a summer accessory or clothing. So I wonder if that's going to be summer healthy stuff. I don't know. Maybe. We have the nice trail mix. This Magic Mix one. Oh my gosh, talk about yummy for $1.78. Something to definitely throw in your car for those road trips in the summer months. We have 3 for $10.99. This is a fabulous price point if you love soda. We have Memorial Day just around the corner, so they're going to really like the chip deals and stuff probably next week, but yeah, the very good deal. And the last one is a BOGO free on the Kellogg's Pop-Tarts, those good products. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.